Kome nyokirirwo na njira nene ni ruhonge rwa mawakiri LSK. Kome okirirwo ni kiria kirikanite ati ni agararite watho wa kwambura maabitha a borithi na kumahaicia ikiro ta uria gutagiriire. No na gukire uguo ni mathingatite ruhonge rwa uthuthuria kwaga kuingirira mashira ma magoti.
The Law Society is further seriously concerned at the recent public spat between the Inspector General of Police and the National Police Service Commission over the promotion of over 507 officers above the rank of Superintendent of Police by the Inspector General. In reading of Article 245(4) subsection C does not donate any power to the Inspector General to make any appointments or determine promotions and transfers within the National Police Service. The actions by the Inspector General of Police therefore amount to serious violation of the Constitution and both the National Police Service Act and the National Police Service Commission Act, as well as the Promotion Regulations of 2015, and is a ground for removal of the Inspector General from office. The Law Society is apprehensive that the actions of the Inspector General will create confusion and anarchy in the management of the police service and is therefore a threat to national security. The Law Society shall immediately instruct an advocate to petition the High Court to pronounce itself on the law so as to clear the current impasse created by the actions of the Inspector General of Police. To fulfill their professional duties effectively, advocates must be able to practice their profession safely and should be free from improper interference. The Law Society urgently calls on the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the Office of the Director of Criminal Investigations to ensure all lawyers are able to assist their client without intimidation, hindrance, harassment, or improper interference, and without threats, prosecution, or sanction for any action.
Tugitigana na riboti iyo ya borithi munene Japhet Kome gukorwo akĩingĩrĩrwo nĩ ati kũrũmĩrĩra ngwatanĩro ya